Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha and today I am going to share wall painting tutorial with you all. So this is the wall where I am going to paint today. On this switchboard I am going to do painting. So first we will do a coat of texture white paint. For a clean base this step is necessary. You can use gesso also. This texture white is the substitute of gesso. Let it dry at least 5 to 6 hours. Have some patience when you do this kind of artwork. Don't do any step in hurry. First I will sketch with pencil. So I am going to draw a Warli art sketch. This is really easy to draw. We use geometric shapes and patterns to draw this art. This is an Indian folk art. When sometimes we do any kind of mistakes in sketching, then we can easily erase if we use pencil. So that I am using pencil first, then we will add some pattern in drawing to make it more beautiful. So in this way we will do the sketching part first. This is very easy design which you can easily draw. Still you have any issue, I have given this image link in description box. You can get it from there to trace. Now we need to do outline. For outline I am using my ohuhu acrylic paint marker. If you don't have this kind of marker, no worries, you can use acrylic black color paint and brush and can do this step with brush. For coloring I am going to use acrylic paints. You have to keep patience with coloring part. It is going to take little time. So in small patterns you have to do coloring slowly with neatness. Well, how I got this wall painting tutorial idea, this is really interesting. My little one Devansh, as he learned to hold the pencil, he explored his arts on the walls everywhere in the house. When I noticed his masterpiece on walls, I realized, why only he? Why can't I draw on walls? So he was my inspiration, and first I made a penguin wall decor in my kids' room. But in first time I did not record any video but shared some pics of that painting on my social media accounts, and you guys love that painting. So I thought I should record a wall painting tutorial. This is light blue color. I mixed little quantity of white color and blue color to make this color. Warli is one of the oldest form of Indian folk art and has its origin in the Warli region of Maharashtra. Earlier this art used to do on walls, similarly I am doing today. But they used to do it on brown background, which would basically be a mixture of mud and cow dung cakes. To draw shapes and figures, they used mixture of rice mixed with water and gum. But now easy things are available. So many types of colors are available in market. So we can explore this art easily with modern touch. So in this way we will color this image. You can refer this picture for coloring part. Now again with the help of acrylic paint marker I will do outline. I have uploaded easy DIY coaster videos which I have made with the help of these markers. So you can refer those videos from the I button. In this way we will complete the outline part. Now we will add some patterns. So here just draw lines. In dupatta we will add this kind of pattern. Here in music instrument we will add pattern with white colors. Add zigzag line here. We will do double coat to make it more visible. To add more detailing work, I am going to use my mandala tools. If you don't have mandala tools, no worries, you can use matchstick or toothpick for this step. So here most important thing is, if you want same size dot, dip every time your tool in color, then make a dot. In this way as I am doing. If you want to learn dot mandala, I have uploaded step-by-step tutorials for beginners. You can check my channel playlist to learn dot mandala. This painting look is going to change completely after adding these dots. But guys, you have to keep patience while doing this painting. Again and again I am telling you, don't do any step in hurry and follow the steps, listen the instructions carefully. On this yellow color we will add red color dots. In this way you can add different color dots also. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial combination of dot mandala and Warli art. Today I tried to do something new for you. Finally it is complete. Let it dry at least 5 to 6 hours and in the last lock it with varnish. So guys, if you like this video little bit, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.